Dear students, see the next one from 10th standard electricity, some importance problem. It is related with the ammeter and voltmeter problems. Okay, if you observe that NCERT textbook, they didn't give that ammeter and voltmeter diagram oriented problems. They didn't give. But some board exam question paper, they ask ammeter and voltmeter. Ammeter, like ammeter and voltmeter is given. They based on that some question is asked. Okay. So now we are going to discuss, that is special name is ammeter and voltmeter related problems. Okay. So let's see this question, but very simple. Don't fear about that question. Okay. See that here it is the ammeter, it is the voltmeter. Okay, see that the current flowing through the resistor and the potential difference across its end are as per the reading of the milliammeter and the voltmeter as shown below. Okay, so find the resistance of the resistor. You remember that Ohm's law circuit. Okay, in the Ohm's law circuit, for example, it is like a battery. Okay, then key, then rheostat. Okay, so here no need this kind of circuit, but anyhow I explain from the basic. Okay, so it is a battery. Okay, now the current flowing through the circuit, it is measured by using ammeter. So this ammeter only here. Okay, but it is milliammeter. Now they said current flowing through one resistor. So this is that resistor. That means what? That is one conductor or the resistor. Okay. That's what. This is the circuit. Then potential difference across this resistor, that is measured by using the voltmeter. So the voltmeter is given. So this reading is here in volt. Then here some millimeter value is given. So the current flowing through the circuit is I. Then here voltage drop is given. So what about the R value we want to find it? So that is a question. So ammeter reading is given, voltmeter reading is given, then what is the resistance of the conductor? That is the question. Okay, right. So we know by using that Ohm's law, that formula V is equal to IR. Therefore resistance is equal to V divided by I. So this is the formula. Okay, so voltage is there, current is there, we want to apply in this equation. That's all. So it is very simple. But here you should know, you should find the value. You should find the value of the ammeter reading as well as the voltmeter reading. So then only it is possible to apply. So we find now, see that now, first ammeter reading, that is milliammeter. MA in small m, capital A, that is milliammeter. So milliammeter reading, first you remember that watch. Okay, let us take your watch. In this watch, what is the minimum reading of the wristwatch? Yes, minimum reading of the wristwatch is 1 second. Okay, so that is least count. Least count of the wristwatch is 1 second. Then for example, let us take one scale, normal scale. Now you are using in the geometry box, one scale. So what is the minimum reading of that scale? Yes, that is 1 millimeter. Okay, so that is the least count of the roller or the least count of the scale. Okay, right. physical balance. So that is what is the least count of the physical balance minimum value? That is milligram. It is already studied in lower standard. So least count is nothing but which can be measured the minimum value. Okay, which can be measured the minimum value. So that is the least count. அப்போ ஒரு இன்ஸ்ட்ருமெண்ட் கொடுத்துட்டாங்கன்னா அந்த இன்ஸ்ட்ருமெண்ட்டை யூஸ் பண்ணி மெஷர் பண்ணக்கூடிய மிகச்சிறிய வேல்யூ தான் லீஸ்ட் கவுண்ட். ஸோ விச் கேன் பி மெஷர்ட் த மினிமம் ரீடிங், தட் இஸ் லீஸ்ட் கவுண்ட். ஸோ நவ் ஹியர் வாட் இஸ் த லீஸ்ட் கவுண்ட்? தட் மீன்ஸ் each and every division how much value. Okay, that is least count. Listen here, first you said LC. LC is nothing but what? Least count. See that each and every division how much value. So for example, here to here how much line? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Totally 5 lines. Okay, see that? 0, first, second, third, fourth, fifth line. First, second, third, fourth, fifth line. Fifth line is how much? 100. So each and every line how much? 20. 0, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Okay? 0, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160. See this here, needle is here, 160, that is 160. Then 180, 200. So like that is going. So the minimum reading is what? 20. So least count value is what? 20. But each and every reading in milliampere. So 20 milliampere. That's all. This is least count. Okay. Then what is the reading? That is current value. So I is equal to how much? 100, 120, 140, 160. So this is the reading. So we can write 160 milliampere. So now the current is ready. So now you know ammeter reading is what? 160 milliampere. Milliampere. Let me tell you. 160 milliampere. That's all. So now you know the reading of the ammeter. Like that, we are going to calculate the reading of voltmeter. Shall we calculate? Yes. Please listen. Listen. Here, the same idea. 0, first line, second, third, fourth, fifth. Totally 5 lines are there. 0, first line, second line, third line, fourth line, fifth line. So fifth line, what is the reading? 0.5. So every division 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4 and 0.5. Okay. So every division value 0.1 is increasing. So here voltmeter reading is, least count is each and every division value how much? 0.1 volt. So like that, what is the reading? That is what is the voltage? What is the voltage? See that? 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7. See that this arrow mark is in 0.8. Okay. So please listen. I hope it is visible. So this line is here. I'll write here 0.8. Okay. 0.5, 0.6, 0.7. This needle is source 0.8. Okay. So 0.8 volt. Okay. So if you know the least count value, then only you have to measure the actual value from ammeter and voltmeter. Now current value you know, voltage value you know. Now it is possible to find the resistance value. Shall we find out? So please listen. Listen students. So we know the formula, that is resistance is equal to voltage divided by current. Voltage divided by current. Resistance is equal to, what is the voltage? 0.8 volt divided by current value. What is the current? 160 milliampere. 160 milliampere. See that I is equal to 160 milli. How I can write? 10 power minus 3. That is milli. Okay. So 10 power minus 3 ampere. That is a milliampere. Therefore, we can write one more steps, or otherwise we can write, yes, I is equal to 1. See that? Okay, I'll write one more step, no problem. Otherwise, it's difficult for you. Okay. So I can write as 160 into 10 power minus 3. Therefore, R is equal to 0.8 into 10 power minus 3 is moving numerator, so it becomes plus 3. That is 10 power 3 divided by 160. Okay. So now, therefore, R is equal to, 10 power 3 is nothing but 1000. 10 power 1 is nothing but 10. 10 power 2 is nothing but 100. 10 power 3 is nothing but 1000. So now I can write 0.8 into 1000. That is 800 divided by 160. 0 cancel. Remaining 80 divided by 60. So we know very well, 60 into 5, 80. Okay, so here 1 time, this is 5 time. So resistance of the conductor is 5 ohm. So the resistance of the conductor is found as, what is that? 5 ohm. Resistance of the conductor, 5 ohm. That's all. It is very easy question, students. So here important point, you should know the least count of the instrument, whether it is ammeter or voltmeter, and then after that you should calculate what is the I value. You should find the I value and then V value, then substitute the formula in Ohm's law formula, then we can get value. Okay students, now I hope you understand this question. Like this many questions are there, we will discuss one by one. Okay, once again, in this circuit you remember that this is the battery, this is the key, this is rheostat, which is used to adjust the current value in the circuit. Okay, anyhow, in this question no need bother about this circuit. Okay, you should concentrate only ammeter reading, voltmeter and voltmeter reading and its resistance value. Okay, thank you.